trader nas.
Niks. Afschneiden.
What's him? You tired? Phela la pizza today. Not today, I think today I'm gonna trade, but I'm not gonna be like going very hard. Yeah. Okay. 1.5. Oh no, yeah, I wanna choose. Braka, since game it's span. Yo guys, do you guys know I only need 2 people? But I have like 100 emails that I have to pick who's the best from all of you. I'm King Ale. When people were going to school, others were learning the market. When others promote their qualification, others are promoting their work. So guys, one thing about me, for every mentors who bought yesterday, I don't blame them. You know why I don't blame them? Because next month they'll get the direction right. Maybe I might get the direction wrong. So I can never praise myself for getting the direction right. Nah. You guys, when a mentor does something, you come here screaming, oh, this mentor was wrong, this right. Nah, man, like, this is the market. There's no a king. I'm not even a king here. There's no a king here. This thing, yeah, sharper. Is that King Blue? Yeah, okay, not that. You see, until this thing, yeah, better, like, in a way that there's no boss here. There's no boss here. So we can't invest ourselves by praising or talking about other people. We need to impress or embrace ourselves by talking about yourself. What is it that you did? How did you know that this is gonna be a buy or this is gonna be a sell? That's what you need to do. You understand? Because for me to be here today, certain people helped me to be here today, but they don't know. When they fail, I was learning that, okay, I'm going to do the same thing, but I'm not going to do what they did at the end. I have to be different. So today I'm different, and I'm afraid to do every move or step they suggest because of what they did before. But I didn't cut them off. You learn, you live, and then you learn to fix their mistakes. When you fix their mistake, you become bigger and better. Easy. Like, it wasn't... I was with a lot of people sitting with me, all of them saying, oh, this did this, oh, this bought this, oh, this went this, but like, and then what are you celebrating there? A black person's failure? Nah, man, you are offside, man. Even if tomorrow I fail, I no longer have everything that I have. There's no need for you to come here and scream and run and say, yeah, I knew Ninja will fall, blah, 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 blah. You lost, man. You're not motivated by anything. You're just motivated by nonsense. You need to come here and praise him for what he did as a black person. As this thing is very hard. You understand? You need to come here, praise him, tell him that, man, there is no one who driven golf 7.5 at your age. There are, but I'm talking about the surrounding. You understand? So what you did, nobody did. Until if you can come back on your feet, you can come back. But if you wanna relax, man, you can sit down and relax. You get that's an easy thing. But if you come here and say, yeah, man, you did this and this, did you drive Go 7.5? Nah. But you come here and say Ninja fallen. Who's the stupid there? Until you becoming the stupid, but you don't realize. So that's the biggest advice I'll give you, man. When someone fails, go and learn his mistakes. Learn them. Don't, there are those people in your life, they were meant to be your cover. It's those people who will do something. When they fail, you know very well that, oh, this road is wrong. You take left. You go and try some other things. And then when you come up with those things, unfortunately, those people were there to try life for you. It's like when you enter trades, man, there's always that one person who will enter first. So it's that thing of saying, hey man, I just entered, I'm on a loss. Can you jump on a loss? Are you crazy? Bro, relax. Until once the market start respecting, we jump in with you. There are those people like that, you understand? There are those people like that. So you can never come around and say I'm the best at this. He enters first. Bro, like we don't have the same courage. Others made it before us, you know. When today they fallen, we need to embrace them. And they did a lot until they made it, you know. Like for me, man, to know about the market, it wasn't easy. I didn't even have a phone, man. I could hear about people, oh, this had this, this is this, you know. But because I know very well that I have to understand to never judge anyone by their mistakes, you know. If you made it, you're driven a Ferrari, you're no longer driving a Ferrari. Now I'm not Vidal. I'm not gonna come here and say, he's no longer driving it. Chief, I never driven Ferrari and I don't know how does Ferrari goes, or you know, I don't know anything about it. You know, if today you give me a Ferrari, man, I'll enjoy driving it the whole day. Window, but at the end of the day, when people come here and say he's no longer driving that, to me it's that feeling of feeling bad, man. I never seen that car before. Yo, but I like, man, you understand? You'll come back bigger and better. That's what I will tell you, man. I seen a lot of people making a lot of mistakes, man. Others getting into an accident, and then people be coming and saying, new Forex traders are always in an accident. Why should you say that? Why? You know what is an accident, man? We're not talking about the car, but the person. You don't even care if he's fine or what is going on about the person. You'll be making things straight. When tomorrow that person comes back bigger and better, you all gonna be saying, I knew you're gonna buy the new one. But you're the one which was talking nonsense about the person. Guys, we don't claim here. We're making cash. And like this game, man, it's not easy. You have people which are actually gonna tell you things which you don't know, man. Like some are wishing me bad things. I never done anyone wrong or anything. To me, I won't babysit you. If you come to me, I teach you Forex, and then you say you're not winning, I'm not gonna babysit you. I'll tell you there's something wrong you're doing, and you need to study that there. Don't be pressured by me. If I teach you something, you need to think on how I started. If I were to use the knowledge that I use today and go back to me before, I will make a lot of cash. Like, guys, now we love the market. And the market became our passion very late. If I were to know about the market when I was 14, today I was going to be the greatest trader in South Africa. Unfortunately, I'm not. You know, there are those who are the greatest, and shout out to them, you know. Remember the statistics talk. And what I realized about a lot of people is many people become the greatest in trading, not because they trade, because of how they think. You know, they multitask. Some open businesses, some do this and that, you understand? So that's what I actually realized, that if they can give us the chart, they lock us in one room and see who will survive. I might get out alive. But this game is not all about the chart, you know. Yes, the chart will build you, but it's all about what you think about at the end. It's what you think about at the end. So one thing that I don't like answering is when a person asks me who's the greatest and who's what. Man, we know who's the greatest of all of us here. We know. And we're talking about statistics. I'm not gonna come to you and say you are great because you have 20 cars. I don't care about your 20 cars, man. Like, I wanna know what is your net worth. You know, remember cars, man, to your net worth, they are nothing. So don't come here and tell me about you have 20 cars. And I want to know your net worth. I want to know how many businesses you run, how much money you make every year. Understand? You can survive, I swear. Man, I can come out alive, man. I can one by one. That trading, more I can survive, man. Imagine if we were to trade CPI yesterday in one room and we don't show each other analysis. So one thing